Overwhelmed by home upkeep? HomeCare360 simplifies it all. From spotless interiors to pristine exteriors, painting, and tree care, we're your ultimate solution. From a wild jungle to a pristine paradise, our lawn care experts bring your green spaces back to life. Is your home screaming for a rescue mission? We're talking chaos, grime, and that never-ending honey-do list. A wobbly fence or a door that won't close? Our handyman services handle all those little and not so little repairs, making your home safe and sound. Or that murky mess you call a pool? Watch it transform into a shimmering oasis, ready for relaxation. Dive in. Lawn care, pool service, handyman repairs, and comprehensive cleanup. One call, total peace of mind. No more juggling multiple companies. See the transformation yourself. Stop dreaming of a perfect home and start living in one. It's simpler, faster, and more affordable than you think. Dreaming of a home transformation but unsure where to begin? HomeCare360 offers mind-blowing results. Get your free consultation today. HomeCare360 invites you. Transform your home. Transform your life.